This is going to blow your mind. Start your day with these healthy and delicious recipes. For breakfast, we've got avocado and egg on gluten-free toast. Toast 2 slices of gluten-free bread. Mash 1 avocado with salt and pepper and fry an egg. Spread that creamy avocado on your toast and top with the egg. Don't forget your refreshing lemon water. Squeeze half a lemon into a glass of water and stir. Cheers to a tasty and healthy start to your day. Welcome back. Now let's dive deeper into our lunch options that will keep you feeling energized and satisfied. First up, a vibrant and protein-packed quinoa salad. Start by cooking 1 cup of quinoa according to the package instructions. While that's cooking, chop up a variety of colorful veggies like bell peppers, cherry tomatoes and cucumbers. Once the quinoa is done, let it cool slightly and mix it with the veggies. For the dressing, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, minced garlic, salt and pepper. Toss everything together and top with a handful of fresh parsley. Next, let's whip up a hearty chickpea wrap. Drain and rinse 1 can of chickpeas, then mash them in a bowl with a fork. Add a tablespoon of tahini, a squeeze of lemon juice and a pinch of cumin. Spread this mixture onto a gluten-free tortilla and add some shredded carrots, spinach leaves and sliced avocado. Roll it up and enjoy this portable, nutritious meal. Finally, for a quick and easy option, try our classic tuna salad. In a bowl, combine 1 can of drained tuna, a tablespoon of Greek yogurt, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and some chopped celery. Mix well and serve on a bed of mixed greens or between slices of whole grain bread. These lunch recipes are perfect to keep you going strong throughout your day. Stay tuned for more delicious and healthy meal ideas. Welcome back. After a day full of delicious and nutritious meals, it's time to wind down with some wholesome dinner options. First on the menu is a comforting and flavorful vegetable stir-fry. Start by heating a tablespoon of sesame oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add in a medley of your favorite vegetables, such as broccoli, bell peppers, snap peas and carrots. Stir-fry until the veggies are tender crisp. For the sauce, mix together soy sauce or Henderson's relish. Add a touch of honey, minced garlic and grated ginger. Pour the sauce over the vegetables and toss to coat. Serve this vibrant stir-fry over a bed of gluten-free rice or quinoa for a complete meal. Next, let's make a hearty lentil soup. In a large pot, heat a tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add in chopped onions, carrots and celery and sauté until the vegetables are softened. Stir in a cup of dried lentils, a can of diced tomatoes and vegetable broth. Season with cumin, paprika and a bay leaf. Bring the soup to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 30 minutes or until the lentils are tender. This comforting soup is perfect for a cozy evening at home. These dinner recipes are not only healthy but also incredibly tasty, ensuring you end your day on a high note. Stay tuned for more delicious and healthy meal ideas.